Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today our title is about managing rows and columns. So today I want to show how to add column and how to delete column, how to add rows and how to delete rows. First of all, whenever we want to add a column, we have to select a column. After that, we right click on that column. And here we have insert. When I click on this insert, the column will be added at the left side of my column. You can see insert, it's the left side. For example, if I want to add a column before the total, I should select this column and right click and insert. And also if I want to add more than one columns, it's also the same, it works the same. I just select few columns, I just selected 3 columns and right click insert. It works just fine. And also if I want to select a column, it also works the same way. I just select one column here, right click and delete. You can see. And also I can select multiple columns, and here I press on Ctrl and select these columns. I just come here, right click and delete. You can see it works just fine. And also we can apply these techniques on cells either. Here I select 2 rows and I right click here and insert. And also I select 1 row and insert. You can see it works just fine. There is no difference between adding column and the row. And also if I want to delete this, I just select the row and right click delete. And also here select both of these rows, right click and delete. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching. If you're new here, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Thank you.